Hi everybody, Dimitri here at the Magic Line trade booth at the Long Beach Impressions Expo. We have quite a few treats for you here at the booth. We have our Vantage printer, which is our best-selling DTF printer. And it is a desktop format, as you can see. It prints up to 14-inch width. We currently have a 13-inch roll. It's a roll feeding printer, of course. I don't know if you can catch from there, Dan, but you have two printheads. These are Epson Dual i1600 printheads. This is our Vantage 2 Max, and it is capable of speeds up to about 50 square feet per hour. Pretty much industrial quality build, functionality with a wide ink circulation, maintenance, built-in maintenance system, high capacity ink tanks, heating system that helps with ink flow and gelling, vacuum system to avoid printhead strikes. A lot of functionality built in that's a function of 6 years of history and experience and many iterations of printers to kind of build the best and design the best printer that we've ever put out on the market. And it is our best-selling printer, most satisfied customers we've ever seen with any DTF printer we've ever sold. Our DTF line printer starts at $3,500. That's for our Vantage. That's a single head system, up to, I believe, $5,500 for the Vantage 2 Max, which is the dual high-speed system. DTF's been around for some time. A lot of viewers, I'm sure, know very much about it, but just real briefly speaking, you're printing to film, lays down the color first, then there's a layer of white that comes next. The next station is to powder and cure. We offer automated shaker automated systems. Those are modular add-ons. For this size printer, we have a 13 or 14-inch, $2,000 modular system for automation. However, depending on your volume quantities, if you're sometimes doing 1 or 2 or 5 of a kind, it's better to go with a manual system, which would use a curing station such as this. This is our 3rd generation curing system. Also under the same brand, which is our DTF line brand. Of course, our system is designed to work in conjunction with our inks, films, and powders for optimal quality and calibration purposes. And we can go through the whole process. We'll print, cut, powder, and transfer. So here's your finished print after you cured, and this transfer now is ready to press on your apparel. We're going to do another print right now. We're actually doing the same image side by side because we want to show you the next product, which is our best-selling product, our patent pending, and actually we've received our notice of issuance, so basically patented Magic Seal product, which will improve the hand feel of the finished garments, something that has drastically changed not only the DTF industry, but also vinyl, DTG, white toner transfer, screen printed transfers, and many others. So we'll look at that next, but let's press to a shirt. So we've now cured our transfer. And in this case here, we did a side-by-side of the same image, because like I said, we're gonna show our Magic Seal product next. So we'll press this to a shirt next. Going into one of our heat presses, by the way, any heat press will do. This is our craft press, available in this fancy pink, but also black and a couple of other colors. Around $350, sometimes on special. Heat press time and temperature will vary depending whether you're using cotton, poly, or other materials. We provide instructions for our customers. In this case, we're doing about 15 seconds. But if it's our Insta Peel, it looks like it is, it's a straight peel. And by the way, it took us a couple of years before we released a hot peel. We call it Insta Peel. It's our trademark. It's available at dtgpro.com, but it was 2 years in development before we released it. Hot peel films have a tendency to be difficult and challenging, and we do believe that it's one of the best that we've ever tested. So now we're going to show you the Magic Seal process to improve the hand feel of one of these two images as a comparison.